Hello everyone, my name is Andy and this is my math project. So in this project, I'm going to make hexagon bookshelf. So my goal is to create a hexagon bookshelf for myself. The role will involve in this project is my father, teacher, and myself. So situation, my room is very messy and simple. So I want to use the hexagon bookshelf to let my room look better and have more space. Audience, students, teacher, and parents. Purpose, beauty and have more space. So the reason why I want to make hexagon bookshelf is that I want to have more space and if I don't want to put things inside, it can be a decoration. So I want to put the hexagon bookshelf on the wall so it can let my room look beauty and I can put different things on the hexagon bookshelf so I can have more space. Global context, science and technical innovation. Lego. So at first, my design is to use Lego to construct the hexagon bookshelf. However, I find out the latch on the Lego is too difficult to make it. So I changed the way to make the hexagon bookshelf and it can easily move it very quickly. So the reason why I choose hexagon to make the bookshelf is because of the honeycomb. So in the environment, the most stable polygon is triangle. However, triangle cannot provide enough space for the B. So B decided to choose the second stable polygon, which is hexagon. So hexagon can provide B more space and stable and cost less material. So this is the reason why I decided to choose hexagon to make my bookshelf. Time schedule. Design the hexagon bookshelf for 1 week and choose the material 1 week. So my final decision is wood and simulate the hexagon bookshelf 1 day and generate the real hexagon bookshelf 1 to 2 weeks. So my project draft. So the thickness is 2 cm and the length is 30 cm, the width is 25 cm. And you can see that my original design has a lot of dash, so it needs to cost a lot of time to calculate the centimeter, and so I decided to change the way, so just like this. So simulation, I use cardboard and some tape to make it, and the difficulty of making this hexagon bookshelf simulation is these 3 cardboard. So if you want to make this the middle cardboard, you need to have ratio 1 and 2, and this top of the cardboard is 30 centimeters, so 1 to 2, so this middle one must be 60 centimeters. And how to calculate this? We already know this length, so we just need to move down, and we know that the length of here and here is 15 cm. So we just need to use the Pythagorean theorem to calculate these two lengths. So the method of making this hexagon bookshelf is that first you need to use some glue on it and stick it together, and use the rubber band to let the shape hold it in order to not let the hexagon change the shape. And second, in order to let this go inside very quickly, so you need to use the sandpaper to grind the wood. So the difficulty of making the real hexagon bookshelf is that you need to calculate the thickness and the degree. So the degree of one wood is 60 degree, and so this are 120 degree. So compared to the cardboard simulation, you cannot use the 1 to 2 because you need to consider the thickness. So and these two, you need to consider the thickness. You cannot use the Pythagorean theorem to calculate these two. And thank you for your listening. 这